Hey guys, gonna do a quick dirty little unboxing of my new Breitling Super Chronomat B01 44. This is a special piece to me because I've had a few other variations of this, but I saw this down in the Keys a couple weeks ago and had to grab it. So without any further ado, and forgive my video skills because I am not very good at this, so I'm doing my best. But anyways, it comes in this new box, which is kind of cool. It's all brown leather. I've never seen this before. Usually it's that recycled blue one that you get, but this one's actually leather with some pretty cool buttons on the sides that snap. It all kind of opens up. But let's go ahead and open this guy up and see what's in here. And right there you can see, try to get a little closer, that this top piece actually is to hold your warranty cards and other things like that. And if we look here, that actually has my warranty cards and some directions and things like that inside of it, which is kind of cool. And let's see inside here, so you can see there is the watch. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. So there we go. There she is. So if we go ahead and take some of this paper off, actually there's this plastic piece. And you can see that gorgeous green dial, which I'm not a big fan of green, but I think this looks pretty nice, pretty cool. Let's see here. Alright. And one of the cool things with this is it looks like this guy right here, once you take the watch off, put this down here for a second, this actually doubles as a leather / suede carrying case. It's got a leather strap on the top, and this is all suede where you can put your watch in and carry it, which is kind of cool. Never saw that before. So yeah, so there's your case, there's your carrying case. And for the actual watch itself, I'm trying to get a little more light on this for you. There's that green. And if you notice, you can see that red gold. That is 18 karat red gold. And I'm holding it upside down. Sorry about that. Let's see. But yeah, there it is. It's got some good weight to it. I don't know all the technical specs on this guy, but I think the weight is somewhere near 230, 235 grams, which to me isn't a big deal. Weight of a watch has never bothered me. It could be a titanium watch that weighs nothing, or it could be something like this, which in the watch world 200 plus grams is considered very, very heavy. You can see that exhibition case back, but I have the wrong lens. Like I said, I'm not good with the videos. I'm trying, but I have to upgrade some of my equipment here. Let's see. Yeah, so sorry you can't really see that as good as I want you to, but it's gorgeous. There is the gold and the band that you can see. That bullet barrel band is what Breitling calls it. Let's see how much retail is on this guy. I'm really bummed out my camera doesn't focus better for as much money as I paid for this thing, but I'm sure it's user error. But anyways, that's it. Let's see the sides. I don't have all the technical details with the lug to lug and all that good stuff. I just kind of wanted everybody to see this because I searched around on the internet quite a bit and really wanted to see this color combo, and I had a little bit of a hard time finding it. But yeah, you can pick this guy up anywhere between, I would say, $12,500 and $14,500, depending on where you get it, whether it be a Breitling boutique or a different dealer somewhere. But yeah, let's pop this on my wrist and let you see real quick the best I can. Of course. Worst video of the year award here on YouTube. Terrible. Take this thing off because I can't close it. There we go. Let's see. So there's a wrist shot of it. I'm a pretty big guy. I'm 6 foot, about 260 pounds. A lot of people say this is a huge watch. To me, it's a 44 millimeter watch. It's not huge at all. Feels nice. I have a deep sea Rolex that feels like it's about the same size. And some of my go-to Panerays and things like that are even bigger than this. Some of my submersibles are 47 millimeter. There is a Breitling Navitimer that I like a lot, and it's 46 millimeter. It's got that champagne dial on it. That'd probably be my next piece I grab. Wish I could zoom in closer so you guys could see this, the details on this dial, or maybe you can. But it is just gorgeous. Nice piece of watch porn here for me. Like I said, I do not like the color green. I'm not a person that's into green, but for some reason on this dial it just pops, especially when you're outside. It really, really looks nice. So anyways, that's it. I don't even need any likes or subscriptions because I can assure you this is probably the worst video on YouTube. But anyways, just wanted to show you guys, and I will publish more, and I'll also work on getting a different lens. Appreciate you taking a second and watching.